Welcome to the heart of the cigarette industry and seed, where every leaf, every fiber begins its journey from raw plant to precision engineered product.
Each leaf is judged by color, size, and dryness. What passes here defines everything that follows.
Checking the upstream reading now. Levels look high.
Yeah, this filter is definitely saturated. Let's prep for replacement.
After sorting, leaves are dried gently with warm air, a slow process that keeps their natural oils intact.
Once dried, the leaf is cooled and rehydrated, balanced between brittleness and elasticity. Precision is key.
From here, each batch is coded and logged. Traceability is everything. From farm to filter, no step goes unseen.
Did you see the schedule for next week?
Yeah, looks like we're ramping up production.
From leaf to strand array, this is where raw tobacco becomes material. Each cut defines texture, taste, and consistency.
The feed rate on line 3 looks high.
Adjusting the calibration now.
Every blade rotates at 1400 RPM. We calibrate by humidity, not weight sites, because moisture changes everything.
Flavor is chemistry and rhythm. Each blend mixes air, heat, and time until aroma becomes uniform.
Quality control is constant. Every 10 minutes, we test humidity, density, and aroma integrity.
Look at the consistency of the golden blend today.
It's perfect. The new filtration system is working well.
Every change in air, every gram of moisture, it's monitored live. Consistency is not luck, it's science.
Rolling turns blended leaf into a continuous tobacco rod. If the line is steady, burn and draw stay identical in every stick.
Filters are made of cellulose acetate. Airflow, pressure drop, and cut length define the cigarette's character.
We test draw and ventilation on every batch. Identical resistance pours, stick after stick.
The readings are consistent across the board.
Excellent. The calibration seems perfect on the WC90.
Both paper and adhesive meet food grade standards. Clean seams, zero bleed, stable burn lines, that's the rule.
This is where precision meets presentation. Every cigarette is packed, sealed, and verified before it ever sees a shelf.
Uniform pressure, zero crush. Each pack must weigh exactly 21.6 grams per down. No more, no less.
The outer wrap keeps aroma intact and surface flawless. We monitor seal temperature down to 1/10 of a degree.
We print at 800 DPI using food-grade ink. Codes identify date, batch, and operator for full traceability.
Clean environment equals consistent quality. Every surface here is sterilized twice per shift.
From here, production turns into movement.
Every box, every pallet is tracked, logged, and scanned before leaving the line.
Temperature and humidity stay constant, but see 22 degrees, 6% humidity. Even stored tobacco breathes.
Before dispatch, each batch is opened again, checked again, and signed off by 2 separate teams.
Each truck, each container leaves by a precise schedule. Distribution is rhythm for Agate. No chaos allowed.
Behind every product is a cycle of maintenance, calibration, and control. The quieter the process, the more accurate it becomes.
Check the reading on channel 4, it's drifting.
I see it. I'll adjust the valve now.
Every shift, we open, clean, and recalibrate. Small corrections now prevent big failures later.
Emergency stop engaged. Sequence complete. Light is green. Data logged.
Coordination keeps everything alive. Machines follow data, but humans set the rhythm.
Before leaving the plant, every pack faces a final inspection. We measure perfection one detail at a time.
We look for paper tears, uneven filters, even tiny fiber deviations. Anything below standard doesn't move forward.
Every stick must draw evenly. If one resists or burns too fast, the entire batch stops here.
The figures look solid for this batch.
Yes, calibrating the new line was the right move. We are cleared for release.
Once approved, products move directly to export. Destination labels, custom seals, and documentation, all automated but human verified.
Every shipment is double signed, sealed, and time-stamped. The line ends here, hey. Precision doesn't.
Take care out there. See you next week.
For every cigarette, there's an unseen rhythm of precision, patience, and control.
This spike correlates directly with the drop in throughput.
The robotic arm shows a minor deviation here.
Let's initiate a diagnostic cycle.
What you've seen is more than production. It's a living system, balanced between human hands and mechanical accuracy. What you've seen is more than production. It's a living system, balanced between human hands and mechanical accuracy.
From leaf to label, precision defines the process. This is how billions become billion.